Right guys, how are we all doing? It's Andy here from Peninsula Painting Projects and welcome back to the channel. How are we all doing? So, in today's video we're going to review the Warhammer 40K Kill Team starter set. But before we start, why don't you come along and join Peninsula Hobby and Chill on Facebook. You can share all your work in progress, you can let us know what you're working on, let us know what armies you're collecting, and not only that, this video is sponsored by PRIMAL where you can get 10% off your miniatures and 20% off pre-orders. So let's get on with the unboxing. Nice one guys, try. I've removed the cellophane from the box, and the first thing I've noticed is the fact that this box is a glossy finish and it's really nice quality. It feels really sturdy. Not only that, it's the weight of it. It's bloody, it's really heavy. So this retails at £80 RRP. Now, before we even start, there's £80 worth of terrain in this box set already. It's the Imperial Ruins, the Sector Imperialis, which is £80. Now, I'll be honest guys, that's one of the main reasons why I bought this, because of the terrain. Obviously I want to start collecting Kill Team and playing Kill Team because it seems like a really good game. You know, you can finish your games in about what, an hour, 2 hours max maybe. So that's what I want to do. Now let's get this lid open. So as we can see, we've got this poster, we're greeted to this, and on the back we've got some nice beautiful artwork there, which I think I'm going to frame and put up in the shop. It's going to look pretty cool, that. I'll put that on the top of the lid there. So we've got obviously some bases and some baggies here for all your combat cards and stuff like that. And then we get 10 Skitarii Rangers, which actually retail at £23.50 by the way guys. So these sprues are in red. They've obviously been dyed red. And then you've got all the heads here, which I'm unsure whether I like these Skitaris, these Adeptus Mechanicus. I'm still unsure, but I'll probably paint these up. If not, I'm sure one of my friends will probably buy them off me or something. So that's them there, that's that sprue. Then we've got another one here. So that's that there. And then we've got some Neophyte Hybrid Gene Seal from the Gene Sealer Cults. Now, I've only got some of these in the Tooth and Claw box set, so I will definitely be using these and adding these to my Gene Sealer Cults army, because that's an army that I've been wanting to collect for a long time now. Gene Sealers / Tyrannids, and I'll throw some of these cultists with them. I'll look at the heads there. Look pretty cool, don't they? Got all different guns, shotguns there. Auto guns, little pickaxe there. So that's that. I've got a banner guy there as well. The Gene Stealer logo. Now this is what I have been looking forward to. Look at all this terrain guys. Got one sprue here, which seems to be like the roof. There's another terrain here. And like I said guys, the terrain alone is worth £80. Those Neophyte Hybrid Gene Stealers, they're £25 as well. Here's another little side here. And there's another one. So look at this guys. How much do you get in here? Flipping hell, look. More and more and more. It's just endless amounts. Wouldn't surprise me if there's double the amount in here. So yeah, I'm gonna have to put these in the box guys on the floor. And there's some more sprues. So it's gonna take me a long time to sort these out guys and get these assembled and painted. Is this another thing? Oh, there's another one. That's random, isn't it? I wonder if anyone else got 2 of these. It's pretty cool though. Don't mind getting 2. So we've got some dice here. Have a little look at this. So I think, as far as I'm aware, this is the first time Games Workshop have introduced the different types of dice apart from the D6 into Warhammer 40K, that is. So yeah, is that an 8-sided, 2, 4, 5, 10-sided dice, is that? Feels like a completely different quality to what we're used to. We've got some packs here. So these are the Kill Team data sheets. Sorry, yeah, the Kill Team data sheet cards. I think they're the generic ones. And then we've got the Kill Team Universal Tactic cards. We've got a measuring ruler here, which will always come in handy. We've got the Kill Team faction cards there. And there's another base, not sure what that's for. And then we've got the core manual here. Now this retails at £25 as well. That's fairly good, isn't it? There's a lot of savings in this box set, guys. I would advise anyone to get this, because I believe the Kill Team's really easy to learn, really, really easy. And then what else have we got? So I think these are all the movement tokens and stuff, the action tokens. Devoted Sons, Neophyte Hybrid Kill Team. That's all the information pack that's in there. And here's a little mini board as well. I believe this board's 22 by 30 inches. So that's pretty cool as well, isn't it, guys? So let me just quickly jot this up in my head. So the Romans are £80. The GC Occults are 25, so that's 105. The Scutari Rangers are a further £23, so that's 125, 6, 7, 28. £128 plus the core rulebook. I've lost count. Hold on, guys, let me work this out. So yeah, guys, I worked out it's £153.50. That's how much is in there, but that's excluding stuff like these and the dice and the board and the little extra manuals there. So I think, to be honest, it's very worth it. I can't wait to learn the game and I can't wait to start playing it. So obviously this retails at £80. So, you know, you're saving a fair bit there, aren't you, guys? So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you soon. Nice one, tra.